Hello guys, namaskar. Welcome to SkillsTechy channel. So in the previous video we have learned about the indexing in strings. Always remember that forward indexing starts with 0 and reverse indexing starts with -1. That is we have learned in the last video. And also we should keep in mind the distinct feature of immutability that is the string data type provides, which means that once a string is created, it cannot be changed. And for cases where we may want to add data from multiple string together, such as the creation of a variable full name from variable first name and last name, there we'll use string concatenation. And in this video we'll see about slicing in a string through various examples. So let's start. First of all, let me give it a name. So let's say fine, start and end index. So I'm assigning a string to the statement. Let's ask about what is the use of Python programming. Then if we call the this is only for the reminder which we have already done in the last video. So this is how to find the length of any string. So to do the slicing part, we'll add a function called sliced statement, and then we can call it as by using square bracket statement zero to, let's say we have to go to, it's 38, so we'll give 38. Then we have to print the sliced state sorry guys, statement. Here you can see the index start with the 0 and we are assigning toward the end of the index. So as the length of the character is 38, so I have taken all the length in the end of, for the end of this index. So if I assign till to, let's say 30, let's see what the result. So you can see this string text, this statement is sliced. So as you can see, what is the use of Python program. If we do it till to 20 only, then it will give us what is the use of p. Okay, let's take another example. So if we have a section and in that section we have 15 girls and 16 boys in a class. So to find the girls, if you see, so this I'm not putting the 0 here as it is understood now. So for it print girls here, let's see what it is. So you can see 15 girls it is giving. So if I do by this like 7, so you can see this slice part as would be sliced from this. If I give 6, it will be given as GIR. So let's correct it. 18 girls. Okay. Now if I have to take the output from the end of the index, so this is from the start of the index, and if I have to take the output from the end of the index, so what will I do? Section only, then see, you have to keep in mind which type of bracket we have to use. So in the index, where I have to assign the index, we always use the square bracket. So to assigning end index, you just need to do this. Here we have start and here we have end. So you can see that 16 boys in a class, with 16 boys in a class. So that is some basic example about this slicing in a string. We have another function called membership. So let's take an example. What is the use of Python programming? So membership function is only used when we have to find out the string, any single string to the given statement of, or to the given text. So that particular string or that particular text is falling under the given statement or given string value. We will, as I said, so we'll do a print. So it will always give us in a boolean value, like true or false. It will always give an answer in a boolean value. So we are checking for the membership, like we are checking the any text which is present in the given string value or not. So let's say if I take learning as a value, and I have to check that is this learning is present in this string or not. So see, it is giving a false value. If we have to, let's take another example, print, and then let's say Python. pyth1 py, okay, pyth1. Now you can see this Python is present in this assigned text, so it is giving us a true value. So I hope ये आपको क्लियर हो गया होगा स्लाइसिंग और मेंबरशिप फंक्शन स्ट्रिंग के अंदर. तो आप इसकी प्रैक्टिस करोगे तो अच्छे से आपको आ जाएगा. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. थैंक यू सो मच.